You know, a lot of people dream of packing up and finding a new home where the living is easy and the bank account stays happy. Now, before you get to enjoying that easy-breezy retired life, there's a bit of homework to do, and it all starts with a visa. Now, there are a lot of countries offering retiring visas, but most of these places make you jump through so many hoops, you'd need a pile of cash just to land on the other side. But again, you don't need to worry, as there are still many countries offering the cheapest retirement visas. And in this video, we are going to share with you the 15 countries where getting a retirement visa is as easy as pie, and where your wallet gets to breathe easy and your quality of life gets a grade A for awesome. So let's kick off with the number 15 country that offer cheapest retirement visas, Portugal. This sunny spot is a magnet for retirees from all corners of the globe, and it's no mystery why. Think about it like your favorite neighborhood. It's got everything. Friendly prices that keep your savings smiling, peace and quiet, top-notch roads and hospitals, and let's not forget that golden sun that seems to shine just a bit brighter here. For the retirement visa, known as the D7, all you need is a steady income, think pensions or property rent, about $820 monthly. Get this, and you can call Portugal home for 4 months. After that, you can apply for a temporary residence permit, keep it up, and in 5 years, you could be waving a Portuguese passport. Sliding into number 14, we've got Greece, a paradise of blue seas and fresh feta. Forget the pricey investment routes. Greece has a sweet deal for the financially independent folks. If you've got a stable income of around $2,400 a month, you can get a 2-year visa. It's called the Financially Independent Person Permit, and it's perfect for retirees. Stick around and you can keep renewing it. Plus, you get to live the Mediterranean dream, travel visa-free in the Schengen area, and hey, maybe even start a little business of your own. At number 13, we've got Spain. Spain is a place where life slows down just enough for you to enjoy every moment. With its endless sunshine, tapas, and flamenco, over 500,000 retirees have chosen Spain as their forever home. And why not? It's got a low cost of living and high-quality everything, especially healthcare. Non-EU retirees can get in on this too, with Spain's non-lucrative visa. All you need is a monthly income of around $2,500 or a decent savings cushion in the bank. And the best part? You can keep renewing this visa, and after 5 years, you're on track for permanent residency. Next up, at number 12, is Costa Rica. It's not just for eco-adventurers. Retirees love it here too. Picture yourself hiking up a volcano or snorkeling in clear waters. Beyond its natural allure, Costa Rica rolls out the red carpet for retirees with its pensionado program. Show them a monthly income of $2,500 and you're in. Plus, they don't tax your pension income, so you can stretch those retirement dollars even further. And at number 11, let's talk about Mexico. It's a stone's throw from the US and Canada, and it's a magnet for retirees looking for good vibes and great healthcare without the hefty price tag. Live it up on the beach, in a bustling city, or in a charming pueblo. For a long-term stay, you'll need a Mexican permanent residence card. Show a monthly income of about $2,200 from retirement funds, or prove you've got a chunk of change in the bank, and you're all set to enjoy your retirement in this vibrant country. Rolling in at number 10, Thailand. Thailand offers more than just vibrant nightlife. It's a sanctuary for retirees craving a warm climate, adventure, and a culture that stayed true to itself. People over 50 looking to retire here can apply for a Thai retirement visa, also known as the non-immigrant OA visa. The financial bit, you'll need to show you've got around $23,000 in savings or a monthly income of about $1,900. That's your ticket to the land of smiles. Number 9 brings us to Indonesia. Now, Indonesia is a place that rivals Thailand's charm with its own unique spin. Think Bali, Lombok, and a dizzying array of landscapes. As of recent rules, retirees can soak up Indonesia's beauty for up to 5 years on a retirement visa. But it's a hands-off work zone. You can't earn income locally. You'll need to prove an annual pension fund of $2,000, have health insurance, a place to call home for a year, and employ a local helper. Also, it's open to people from 60 countries, so check with the local consulate first to see if you're on the list. Next at number 8, we have Bulgaria. Bulgaria may not be the first place that pops into your head for retirement, but it's an insider's gem. Since joining the EU, Bulgaria has stepped up its game, offering an affordable lifestyle without skimping on the quality of life. There aren't exclusive retirement communities. Instead, retirees live among the locals, adding to the charm. The Bulgarian pensioner D visa is your way in, and it's a bargain. While the exact income requirements aren't set in stone, local visa experts suggest you'd need a monthly income of just about $1,800 or $2,500 for couples. That's Bulgaria for you, EU living without the price tag. Heading to number 7, we land in the Philippines, home to white sandy beaches and a place where retirement funds flourish thanks to the low cost of living. Here, retirees can live comfortably for less than $1,800 a month, enjoying all the modern perks. Through the Special Resident Retirees Visa (SRRV), you can snag a 2-year renewable residency by showing a monthly pension of about $1,800 or by depositing between $20,000 and $30,000 in a local bank. Plus, you get to keep your entire pension since the Philippines doesn't tax it. The Dominican Republic takes the 6th spot, offering a slice of Caribbean paradise without a hefty price tag. It's not just the sunny beaches and low living costs that attract retirees, but also the perks like living tax-free. With the pensioner visa, you only need to show a monthly pension of $1,700 to enjoy this tropical haven. Stay for 2 years on this visa, and you're on your way to becoming a citizen as long as you keep meeting those income requirements. And coming in at number 5 is Chile. It's the go-to for those looking for safety, a high-quality lifestyle, and a mix of climates and landscapes that can take your breath away. The cost of living is about 40% less than in North America and Western Europe. So if you're after a Spanish-speaking spot with low costs and varied scenery, Chile's a strong contender. The retirement visa here, known as the Rentista visa, requires proof of a steady income of about $1,200 per month. Hold onto this visa for a year and you're eligible for a 5-year residency, which can pave the way to citizenship. Panama slides into number 4 with flying colors. It's not just a hub for ships crossing the canal, but also for retirees looking for a friendly cost of living, sweet tax benefits, and top-notch health care. Getting a permanent residence permit here is a breeze. Show them a lifetime pension of $1,000 per month and you're golden. If you're a couple, just add $300 more. Got kids under 18 or students under 25? Tag them on for an extra $250 each per month. Number 3 is Colombia. It's a country that's like a buffet of climates and experiences, offering everything from sandy beaches to lush rainforests and vibrant cities. The healthcare is ace and affordable too, and for the retirees, the Pensionado visa is the golden ticket. To pocket this visa, you need to prove a monthly income of just about $800, which could be from a pension, social security, or even savings. Argentina takes the runner-up spot at number 2. Sure, it's had its ups and downs with the economy, but for those with US dollars, it's a land of opportunity and great stake. The country rolls out the red carpet with tax perks for dollar-earning retirees. The pensionado visa here requires proof of a pension, and currently you need to show an income of around $800 a month. With its rich culture and a mix of landscapes, Argentina is a retiree's cultural paradise. And at the top, number 1, we have Cambodia. This gem in Southeast Asia isn't just about awe-inspiring temples and bustling markets, but also about making retirement easy on the wallet. Cambodia's retirement visa, or ER visa, is simple to get and doesn't ask for much. If you're over 50, you can snag a 1-year residency without a fuss. While there's no set income requirement, some need to show they've got around $500 a month to live on. And when the year's up, just renew and keep on enjoying the Cambodian charm. That's all for today's video, guys. What do you think of today's video? Tell us your views in the comments section. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, happy retiring.